See the world with the innocence of children. Approach the world with the daring of children. Love the world with the readiness of children. Heal the world with the purity of children. Change the world with the wisdom of children. Children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. A warm wish for all the children on this special day. May the love and laughter always stay on your face. You are so special and precious to us. Let's join hands on this special day to make the world a safer place for all the little ones. Happy Children's Day.